Hey guys, I'm Audrey with Elevate. Happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to be talking about how to really celebrate and show love to your employees this February. Be sure to stay tuned until the end because we have a free resource for you to really help you maximize Valentine's Day in the office setting. All right, so let's dive in. Tip number 1. You can go back to the basics and really hand out old school Valentines to every person. If you have a huge team, maybe enlist some help, get some different people in the office to take turns writing Valentines to different team members. Or if you have a small team, maybe you could be the one to really handwrite each of these for each of your team members. Making people feel like a kid again and having a little handwritten Valentine on their desk when they walk in on Valentine's Day could be a really fun and simple way to celebrate this February. All right, tip number 2. Have a treat. Everyone loves sweets and food, and I know for some people food is just the best way to feel celebrated for any occasion. Really just a simple treat on their desk in the morning, or a little cookie cake party after lunch, or if you did want to really do it up, having lunch catered or going out to a nice restaurant for your team is a great way to make people feel celebrated. All right, the third way that you can show love or celebration to your employees this Valentine's Day is affirmation. Affirmation is one of the most essential ways of really showing care for your team members, for the people who work alongside you. This can be verbal affirmation, going up to each person throughout the day and just giving them a compliment of something specific that you see them doing well. It could be huddling your team as a group at the end of the day to say, hey, we just want to take a minute to highlight each other, and just open up the floor for different team members to highlight one another. But affirmation is super key, very simple, and just a great way to show love this Valentine's Day. All right, tip number 4 for how to show love and celebration this Valentine's Day is to decorate the office. Everyone loves a spirited environment, so walking in and seeing a Happy Valentine's Day banner or hearts on the wall, setting up decorations and showing people that it's okay to have a lighthearted environment, to decorate for different holidays and occasions is a great way to show your team that you're up for a celebration. And then the 5th and final tip is to create some kind of engagement or game or fun activity for your team. It would be great if this was Valentine's Day themed. So easy things could be having trivia during lunch that are all Valentine's Day themed, with questions like, when did Valentine's Day first start? What's the story behind Valentine's Day? Who named Valentine's Day? Any of those fun trivia questions that you could easily Google and look up and find the answers to. Having some kind of game or activity to celebrate Valentine's Day is a fun, lighthearted way to really just make your team feel cared for, kind of break up the day, give them a fun brain break, and also celebrate this amazing holiday. So there you have it. Those are our 5 quick and simple tips for celebrating and showing love to your employees, to your team for Valentine's Day. Now, I mentioned a free resource. So we've got a free resource for you to really help you take this to the next level. It's going to walk you through a few more tips of how you can easily show love and celebration this February. So be sure to find that link below in the description to download this free resource. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up below, leave a comment, let us know how these 5 tips worked for you and your team. And hey, be sure to subscribe to our channel because we've got leadership videos, event videos, ways to help you continue to celebrate and care for your team throughout the year. And be sure to hit that bell notification because when you do that, you'll be the first to be notified when a new Elevate video is live. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and have a great Valentine's Day.